first thing is this is not secure. That's not really necessarily the problem. The wires are, you know, they're on there pretty good. So that's not the problem. I mean, when I do a test, I don't know. Seems like it's. Looking at the cord itself, you can see it's corroded, so that could be causing some of the. All right, so we took that fried one off. Got us a new one. Let's get that installed. Let's secure the cord down. All right, so we got the new cord put in. All right, so the power's back on. All right. So, let's see. There's our new plug. There's that. All right, there's our new plug. There's our new plug and outlet. Nice and secure, not bouncing around anymore like it was. So let's go ahead and plug him on in. Let's give it a power check. Perfect, comes on perfect. So let's see. All right. What do you do here? Check lint screen, it says. Okay, so it's probably gonna have to be serviced a little bit, but at least you got power now. So that was the main thing I'm here for. Looks like it has a little air lint screen. That might be right here. Doesn't look that bad. It needs put in better. Not sure, but oh, there it goes. All right, boom. Let's see if it's get hot. If it gets hot too before I leave, then I can always recommend that to the people. If so, okay. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, it's got plenty of heat in there. Really works good. All right, boom. Turn it back off. Turn it on. Turn it off. Works perfect. Brand new. Everything's good now. And that reduced the fire risk that we had here. This was in really bad shape. And even this was ready. This one side was fried, and you see it as soon as I tried to get it off, it broke. So that was definitely causing some problems. That cord, that was about ready to go too. So we're good to go.